What's up, Rise and Thrive family? Welcome back to the channel where we turn inspiration into action and dreams into reality. Right now, I want you to take a deep breath, stand a little taller, and get ready, because today, we're about to ignite something powerful inside you. Today, we're talking about affirming your greatness. We're talking about daily mantras that will build unstoppable confidence, fuel your passion, and transform your life from the inside out. This isn't just another motivational video. This is your wake-up call. This is your moment. So wherever you are, whatever you're doing, lock in with me. This is the day you start to rise and thrive. Your words shape your world. Every thought, every phrase you repeat, is a seed planted in the garden of your mind. If you plant seeds of doubt, you'll harvest hesitation. But if you plant seeds of greatness, you'll reap a life of confidence and achievement. Imagine this: you wake up, look in the mirror, and declare, "I am powerful. I am confident. I am unstoppable." At first, your mind might resist. But with repetition, your subconscious starts to believe. And when you believe, you act. When you act, you achieve. Confidence isn't arrogance. It's certainty in your ability to figure things out, to grow, to adapt. No matter where you've been, you can choose where you're going. Confidence is the fuel that gets you there. Think about the people you admire: leaders, creators, innovators. What do they have in common? It's not just talent. It's the belief that they can make a difference. It's the willingness to take massive, determined action. That's what we're building today. Affirmations aren't magic. They're mental conditioning. Just like you train your body at the gym, you train your mind with words. Neuroscience shows that repeated positive statements can rewire your brain, making new beliefs possible. Practice these mantras daily, and watch your confidence soar. Now, here are 10 mantras you can use every day. Say them out loud. Say them with energy. Say them until you feel the shift. I am worthy of success and happiness. I have the power to create the life I desire. Every challenge is an opportunity for growth. I am confident in my abilities and decisions. My past does not define my future. I attract abundance and positivity. I am resilient, resourceful, and relentless. I am a magnet for opportunities. I choose courage over comfort. I am unstoppable. Repeat these every morning. Write them down. Set reminders. The more you affirm, the more you believe. The more you believe, the more you achieve. Let's get real. Everyone faces doubt. Everyone feels fear. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't? Action. When you feel fear, that's your signal to move forward, not back. Here's a mantra for those moments. I feel fear, and I act anyway. I am bigger than my doubts. Remember, every problem is a gift. Without problems, we would not grow. Embrace the challenge. Affirm your strength. Confidence isn't built in a day. It's built daily. Create a ritual. In the morning, start your day with 3 deep breaths. Stand tall. Say your mantras with conviction. Midday, take a power pause. Remind yourself. Where focus goes, energy flows. Refocus on your goals. In the evening, reflect on your wins. Big or small, celebrate progress. Affirm. I am proud of what I achieved today. Consistency is key. It's not what we do once in a while that shapes our lives, but what we do consistently. Pair your affirmations with visualization and you become unstoppable. See yourself succeeding. Feel the emotions of achievement. Close your eyes. Picture your best self, confident, courageous, thriving. Hear your voice, strong and certain. See the doors opening, the opportunities flowing. This is your new reality. Words are the spark. Action is the fire. Use your mantras as fuel, then move. Make the call. Start the project. These are lies we tell ourselves to stay comfortable. If you want to change your life, you must destroy your excuses. No more. I can't. Only, I will. Success is not an accident. It's the result of daily habits and rituals. Here's your blueprint. Wake up early. Own your morning, own your day. Move your body. Physical energy fuels mental energy. Feed your mind. Read, listen, learn, grow. Plan your day. Set clear priorities and attack them. Take massive action. Don't just plan, execute. Reflect and improve. End each day reviewing your wins and lessons. Repeat this process every day, and watch your life transform beyond your wildest dreams. This is your wake-up call. No more waiting. No more excuses. Here's what you need to do right now. Decide what you want. Get crystal clear on your goals. Make a plan. Break your goals into actionable steps. Take the first step. Don't wait for permission. Start now. Commit to consistency. Show up every day, no matter what. Track your progress. Celebrate your wins. Learn from your losses. Surround yourself with winners. Find people who push you to be better. Never give up. Persistence beats talent every time. If you made it to the end of this video, you're already ahead of 99% of people still waiting for the right time to start. But remember this, knowledge without action is worthless. Don't just watch, do. If this message lit a fire inside you, smash that like button, subscribe for more high-energy motivation, and share this with someone who needs a wake-up call today. Drop a comment below. What action are you taking today to stop wasting time and start chasing your dreams? Your dreams are waiting for you. The only thing standing in the way is you. So get out there, take massive action, and make it happen. I believe in you, and I can't wait to see you win. Stay hungry. Stay focused. And as always, keep crushing it, own your greatness. If this message lit a fire inside you, smash that like button, share it with someone who needs this boost, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a moment of inspiration here on Rise and Thrive. Drop a comment below with your favorite affirmation or your personal mindset goal. I want to hear your story. Until next time, keep rising, keep thriving, and remember, your best life starts with the magic in your mind. Let's go!